my dearest husband, I want you to know how truly blessed and grateful I am to have you as my partner in this incredible journey of life. Your love, kindness, and unwavering support mean the world to me. You've touched my heart in a way no one else ever could, and I can't thank you enough for loving me with such depth and sincerity. Every day spent with you is a beautiful chapter in our love story, and I look forward to many more adventures together. Your love is my source of strength and happiness, and I cherish it more than words can express. Thank you for being the most amazing husband, my confidant, and the love of my life. I love you more than words can convey. With all my love, your wife.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello Kuya Orly, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo dyan.
Happy birthday, Boss Orly!
Sing, ginawan na. Happy birthday.
Stay healthy and sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng madaming blessing at long life.
Happy birthday, Orly, and wishing you more birthdays to come. Enjoy life and stay healthy and happy lagi with you and Diane. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Orly. Wish ko para sa iyo good health always and mag-ingat palagi sa trabaho.
Happy birthday.
Bye. Happy birthday,
Bye.
Kuya.
Hi, Orly. Happy birthday. More birthday to come, Orly.
Okay.
Okay, see you. Enjoy your special day, okay?
Enjoy. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hi Kuya Orly, happy birthday! Sana makauwi kayo this year or next year. Namimiss ko na yung mga food trip natin. Ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday. Love you both.
Happy birthday, Orly! Happy birthday to you. Happy 60th birthday and good health and more birthday to come. God bless you. Thank you for accepting there na ni go me there sa house ni mo. And that's it. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and still in love with sis. God bless you.
Bok, happy birthday to you. Tagal na tayo magkaibigan since mga bata pa tayo. Masasabi ko lang, ingatan mo sarili mo dahil kukunti na lang mga gwapo at mababait na tao sa mundo. Okay? Ingat mabuti. Happy birthday, Bok. Love kita. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Surprise! Pre Orly, happy 60th birthday, ha? Senior na. Senior na tayo. Pero okay lang yan. Basta feeling youthful and energetic pa rin everyday, no problem. Kayang-kaya. Okay, happy birthday, pre. Enjoy the day. Bye.
Hi, Orly. Long time no see. Malapit na birthday mo. Enjoy your day and magkita naman tayo someday. Alright, enjoy kayo ni Shaq. Okay, bye.
Hi, Lola Orly. Do you know me? I'm the granddaughter of Grandmice. And I will give a birthday greeting to you. This is from Grandma and Aisha. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Lola Orly. I hope you have a great time and I hope you have a great birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, friend! I am a camera shy grandma. I love you. Happy birthday! Have fun! Regards and take care of yourself always. Love you. Bye-bye.
Fred, happy 21st birthday pala sa'yo. More birthdays and more blessings to come. And thank you for being a really great friend to me and to everyone else. And tara, inuman na, walwal na dis!
Hi Kuya, happy 60th birthday. Kala ko 56 ka lang. Tinanong ko pa kayo siya. 60 ka na pala, hindi halata. Anyway, na-miss ko yung pag-celebrate natin ng birthday dito sa Antipolo. 30th pa lang, nandiyan na ako. Celebrate na natin, sinasalubong na natin birthday. 3 days celebration. Hindi ko na magagawa yun kasi ang layo niyan, Las Vegas, hindi na makakarating yung motor ko dyan. I miss you. God bless you always. Good health. And alam ko masaya ka na yan sa sitwasyon mo yan. Sana magkita pa ulit tayo. I love you, Kuya.
Happy birthday, Boss Orly! Ako tumatanda na, ikaw mukhang bata pa rin. Kamusta na? Sana maging masaya ka tong birthday mo. Enjoy life. God bless.
Bok, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Orly!
Happy senior citizen! Love you, mwah. More birthdays to come, Bok.
Okay. Happy birthday,
Happy
Orly!
birthday! Sana ma-treat mo kami. May 15% discount ka na. Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Orly!
Orlando.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Shaten.
Boss Orly, happy birthday. Sabi nga nila, age is just a number. Basta tuloy-tuloy lang ang kasiyahan. Yun lang pa. Ingat. We wish you the best. And God bless. Ingat, bro.
Happy birthday, Orly. God bless you. Kamusta ng camping nyo? Okay ba? Dayan, tapos na. Happy birthday for your 60th birthday, my adopted son. May you have many more birthdays to come, and may God bless you always. I love you. Thank you.
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Good luck, good health, God bless you. That's all my heart can say. Good luck, good health, God bless you, and guide you on your way. No matter where you wander, as long as we were there. Good luck, good health, God bless you and guide you into your.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Declaring good health and physically, mentally, emotionally. Wishing you all the best. Again, happy birthday.
Hi Daddy, happy birthday to you. More birthday to come. God bless.
Hi, Dad! Happy birthday, Daddy! More birthdays to come and please, ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Bawas konti-konti sa alak kasi patanda na po ikaw. Sana, Daddy, maraming birthday pa ang yung maranasan. At sana lagi kayong happy ni Mima. Together, happy marriage lang. And good vibes lang. I love you, Daddy, palagi. And God bless.
Hello, Orly. Happy birthday. Ang eldest nephew ko. And I'm so happy for what you had accomplished. I'm so glad na nandyan na ang love of your life at sana masaya kayo at magkaroon na ng baby. We need an angel again, okay? Ang kabilin-bilinan ko lang sa'yo, nak, please, unahin mo sarili mo, ang health mo, ang ibig kong sabihin. Na huwag mong pababayaan ang health. Money can be earned, but importante yung meron kang magandang kalusugan at saka masaya sa mga life mo. Ang Tita Chay mo nang asar eh. O, ito na Tita Chay.
Happy birthday! More babies to come! Ingat lagi. God bless.
We love you and we miss yung mga inuman na tumahan natin.
Soju pa more!
Sa akin, vodka nak. Basta wish you talaga a good health, okay? And more blessing. You take care. We love you. We love you and Dayan. God bless.
God bless.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you. Happy birthday. Hindi ako sanay na
Ganon.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay! Happy birthday to you! Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pogi! Pamangking Pogi! This is greetings from LA. Wishing you more years to your life, and we pray for good health and more blessings to More come. money. Share your money. Okay. Take care always. Okay. Happy birthday, Poging Pamangkin. Happy birthday, Nina. Ingat lagi. Bawasan ang mga chicharon ha. Alagaan ang sarili. Huwag kakain ng bagoong kagaya ko. Tumaas ang presyo ng tita. Isang linggo ng high blood kami ng tita ko ng presyo mo.
Ito ang mukha na mataas ang blood pressure.
Happy birthday, Daddy Woo. We love you. Cheers to 60 years.